Okay, $5.
She's alive, please. Yes, of course they cost money.
I did have it.
Here today with our Jaguar friends, Reggie Hayward, and we are here at JOI Tent City, and we're pleased to present the River Walk to Ram, Riverside Arts Market, to open the 2010 Riverside Arts Market.
Absolutely. I wouldn't be anywhere else.
Okay, we hope you're going to be here next year too, because
yes,
we're going to be right back here at JOI Tent City.
It's going to be a pleasure. It'll be fun.
And we'll be right next door if you need more hugs. Bring a treat.
We are here at the grand opening of the second year of the Riverside Art Market, and there was a wonderful walk, and as a result of walking, people are going to take home these long-leaf pine seedlings. Beautiful long-leaf pine, a native of Jacksonville. It'll grow very fast, contributes to our tree canopies, so get one, take it home, plant it today.
This is our resident artist, Gary Garrett, who is Gary Garrett a la Van Gogh this weekend at Riverside Arts Market. And Van Gogh, of course, has done the world-renowned sunflower paintings, but Gary's doing his own rendition, and we will be auctioning this off with Reggie Hayward at noon for the cause, the two causes, Greenscape and Riverside Arts Market. Thanks, Gary. We'll see you in just a little bit.
Hello, hello.
You're 3 feet, he's 2 yards. Yeah.
Thanks very much, y'all. $5.
Okay, see ya.
Ollie!
Say hi. Look. You're missing the lady with the goggles. Yeah. Come visit us at JOI. I'm friendly staff and I'm friendly doctors. Don't laugh when you say it. It's not. It's a good thing.
Everybody come on in, we have some Jacksonville Jaguars in the house. There we go. Who's a Jags fan? Any Jags fans? Yeah. There we go. All right. Hey, we've had such a beautiful day. One of the most special parts about the day is our River Walk to Ram, which was done by JOI, and it was all spearheaded and facilitated by Jonelle, and I'm going to hand over the mic to her, but I want to thank Jonelle and all her sponsors that she'll go over with putting together a great alternative to driving and parking at Ram, and that is getting on our river and using our parks and walking and being healthy, and I just love it. It was a great idea, and so I just want to personally, from all of the vendors and all of my staff and the volunteers, I want to put a round of applause together for Jonelle and the River Walk to Ram. Woo! All right.
To the first home game. 175. Do we have 100? Oh, we've got two at 175. Okay, do we have 200? Do we have 200? It's for the 200. All right, now we're looking for 225. 350 it is. Come on up and get it. Thank you. Big painting. I'd like to start this one at $50. This is Gary Garrett, a la Van Gogh, of the sunflowers and framed original art. He's a wonderful artist. Gary Garrett Studio.com. Gary Garrett Gallery.com. JoiRiverWalk.com. $50, $50, $50 over here. Do I hear $75 for this original beautiful painting by talented artist Gary Garrett?